Just been in there. Really, really nice. Definitely eat in there. Good for vegetarians as well.
They're no longer in existence. We were lots of money. Have you seen Sister Ian speaking? How can I help you today? Nikki?
Yes, for 3.
3, I'm so sorry. Nikki for 3. Let's take Nikki for 3 and just table 23. Hi there, thanks for calling the Spaghetti Factory.
This restaurant is really cool. Dining in the elevator. So I'm having to do a voiceover on this bit because there's copyright music playing in the restaurant. I was saying how quirky and quaint this restaurant is. It's quite big. And as you can see, as I'm showing you, it's just full of knickknacks and lights and like Tiffany type style musical instruments there. It wasn't that busy actually, but both times I've been lunchtime, so around about 12 in the afternoon. Service is really, really quick, so you won't be waiting around too long for your food for sure. Yeah, really good value, lovely food, probably the best Italian I've ever eaten. So if you get a chance to go and visit, then yeah, definitely go and visit. It's really awesome there. Thank you for watching my random videos.